Alright folks, welcome back. Now this video I screen recorded a long time ago. I was supposed to work on it, but it got lost along the way. I recently found it again. So when I had screen recorded this video, this channel had 26,900 subscribers. Now folks, I absolutely cannot find this channel anywhere. I do remember watching this channel before and seeing several videos that were outstanding. This one is one of them. So if you guys know who ran that channel, if his channel is still out there somewhere, maybe he changed the name or something, please let me know folks so I can add it in the description and in the pinned comment. This video right here is outstanding. You guys are absolutely gonna love it, guaranteed. So without further ado, I'm gonna show you the video. We'll pause at the end for some comments. All right folks, let's get right to it.
You can't trust them.
What's your name then?
Just told him, mate. Why don't you go and ask him?
I don't know if
well, then I'm not going to repeat myself to you. Go and ask your colleague.
Don't you speak to me like that?
I'll speak to whoever I please.
Why?
What you can do about it, mate? I can speak to whoever I want.
Why? Why are you speaking to me like I'm some sort of moron?
Because that's what I think you are.
Really?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I do, because I don't like you, mate. Simple as that.
Why is that?
Simple as that.
Drive past, giving it the big un.
Oh yeah, did I?
Yes, you did.
What did I say?
Eh?
What did I say?
don't know.
Oh, you don't know?
I don't know.
Oh, you don't know?
Because you're too far away, but you're mouthing something
did I?
at us.
So what did I say?
I don't know.
So how, do you know I was speaking to you? Did I speak to you
were
directly?
looking at me, yes.
Was I looking at
Yes,
you? Was
you
I?
were.
Was
Yeah,
I?
yeah.
Got some proof of that? No? Didn't think so. So why don't you shut your mouth until you got some proof, Sam? Stop making allegations you can't back up.
Yes,
how
I
about
can.
that?
Yeah?
No, you
I
can't.
can.
Go on, then back it up then.
Yeah, because you were looking
Back
at me
it up
and
then.
mouthing something.
Prove it.
Hey?
Prove it.
Don't have to prove it.
I'm afraid you do, mate.
I've got you stopped.
afraid you do need to prove
We're
it.
going to check your details.
Crack
yeah?
on.
Make sure your car's in order.
Crack
and we're
on.
going to find out what you're
Go on
doing.
then, crack
yeah?
on. I'm telling you anything, mate.
Hey?
I'm telling you anything. None of your business what I'm doing.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Yeah.
We'll see. We'll see if you walk away from it today knowing what I'm doing. Because I guarantee you won't.
We'll find out that your car's all in order, my friend.
Yeah, you will. You're right. You'll find out it is in order, and then you'll jog on, my friend.
I won't be jogging on. We'll be right here.
You should don't look like you've done any jogging, mate. That's the problem.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Fucking harassing Guildford police as always.
I can't see none of their faces, by the way.
I'm gonna say, let's just make sure they're all on film.
There you go. I'm filming you as well.
Well, I can see that. I'm not blind, mate. I don't ask stupid questions like you do. I'm aware of it.
Yeah, I've got to tell you that you're being videoed as well.
I know that. I can see it.
Yeah.
I'm not blind. I have the benefit of two eyes in my face.
That's fine.
Can you see them?
Yeah.
Then I don't need you to tell me, do I?
Well, some people do. Hello.
Hello. It's the other idiot gone. Oh, there's two of them.
Alright, was it? Yeah.
Yeah,
Check the condition of your tyres, Jamie.
yeah. Are you qualified to do that? Are you a traffic officer?
Hey, I don't need to be qualified to assess whether they've got tread on them or not.
Well, I think you find you do.
No, I don't.
Well, where's your tyre depth meter?
Hey? No, all
Where's
I
your
need
tyre
to,
depth meter?
all I need
You
to
got one?
check.
Get it out then. Show me.
Listen, all I'm checking is that it's
You're checking the
above,
tyre depth. That's
that
what you
it's
just said.
above the
Yeah,
wear
which
bar.
is
Yeah?
what's the legal tyre depth?
1.6 mil.
So how can you check
Thanks.
that by eye?
I can see whether it's above your wear bar.
You don't know what
Do you
you're
know what a
talking
wear
about.
bar is?
Mate, I'm a qualified
No.
mechanic,
Good.
so I know a lot more than you do.
Doesn't matter, does
Don't
it?
forget it.
I don't know what your attitude's about, mate. I really don't. Yeah?
Harassment.
Harassment, mate.
Yeah,
pretty
but
much.
I've not harassed you, have I?
Mate, you're scum. You're in a uniform like
Good,
the rest of
good.
them. You're
Yeah,
the same.
fine. Okay.
Good.
Right, Jamie, I think we're done here. Yeah?
I know that. So off you jog.
No, I'm not jogging anywhere.
Well, I'm
my
not going
friend.
anywhere, mate. I'm going to sit here
Yeah?
for a while
If
now.
you want to sit here
I'm going to.
and
I
waste
don't need
your
your
own
permission,
time,
mate.
then fine.
Brilliant. See you later.
Yeah?
Have a nice night.
But you don't tell me
I'll
what
tell you
I do and
want.
what I don't
You
do.
don't tell me what I can and can't do either.
Well, we do. We
No,
tell
you
you
don't.
exactly what we do.
Well,
yeah?
you don't.
Yeah? If we ask you to stop, you stop. Yeah.
Will I?
Yes.
Will I?
Yeah. And if you're saying that you're going to fail to stop, then
Mate, listen. I'll do what I want to do, all right?
no, you
I won't
don't do.
listen to you, pal.
Hey?
So let's get that clear right
Well,
now.
you're going to come a cropper then
Am
with
I?
the courts then,
Am
aren't
I?
you? Yeah.
Good
if
luck
that's
with
what
that.
you're
See you
gonna
there.
do.
See
Yeah.
you there.
Yeah.
See you there.
Yeah.
You finished with your harassment now? You finished
I'm
your
not
checks?
harassing you,
You finished
yeah?
your checks?
You're
You're
still
now
ca-
carrying on.
No, you're
This is now
carrying on
harassment.
chatting. It's
Jog
not
on.
harassment.
See you later. Finished your checks, mate.
harassment, mate.
See you later. Finished?
I really
Do you want to
don't
try and
understand.
intimidate me, mate? Do you
I'm
want me
not-
to
how
get out of the car?
intimidate-
Show you how intimidated I am.
Right, you get out the car
Yeah, and
and
you'll do
start
what?
and start trying to do silly things
Like
like
what?
that.
Like what?
Then we'll look at other things.
Who said anything about silly? What's getting out of the car silly about?
Hey, because
Are you
you're-
telling me I'm not allowed to get out of this car
No,
now?
you're trying to say to
Are
me.
you telling me I'm not allowed to get out of this car now?
Jamie, right?
Is that what you're saying?
Listen,
No.
what you've said to me is that you want to jump out
Because I've got four prats
and
stood
try
next
and-
to me,
and try
like
and
you're trying to
intimidate
intimidate me.
Am I
Do you want me to get out of the car?
intimidating you at the moment? Am I
If I feel
intimidating you?
intimidated, do you want me to get out of the car? Mate, it'd take more than for you to intimidate me. Believe me.
Yeah, but I don't know why this conversation's really going on now.
Because you're aggravating me, mate. You're harassing me.
I'm not.
You are.
If we're having
It's
a
exactly
chat,
what you're doing.
At the moment, we're basically having a chat. It's a two-way thing, isn't it?
No, it's not. You've done your checks. You found nothing, and you're still there going on. For what reason are you
what do
still
you-
even talking
what do
to
you
me? Why is there still four of you stood next to my car?
Right. Why am I still talking to you? Because
Yeah.
you're talking to me.
I just told you, mate, we're
Yeah.
finished. Off you jog, and you still don't want to go. And these three are still
Mate,
stood there. I'm not
because-
talking to these. Why are they stood there? Am I talking to these?
It's like the same reason as you're not going anywhere, isn't
Because
it?
I don't want to, and I don't have to, mate.
No.
Simple as that. UK citizen, mate. Unluckily for you, with full UK rights, I can do as I please. You don't have the power to tell me differently. As much as you think you do, you don't. This isn't communist North Korea, mate. I can do what I want.
But there's
Unluckily for you, pal.
There's certain rules, isn't there?
Yeah, like
that
what?
You have to abide by. So
Yeah, like what?
When you're asked to stop,
Yeah?
by a police
If
officer,
I feel
you
safe
must.
to. If I feel safe to. The
Yeah.
fact that you've just stopped me in the middle of a busy dual carriageway in
Yeah,
in
well,
the middle of three lanes
I
made
explained-
me and my partner feel unsafe.
No.
So we'll see how that one goes down
Yeah,
for you.
good. Right. Okay. Well, I can justify it.
Can you?
Precisely why
Can
I
you?
stopped you where I did.
Go on then, why did you stop me?
Because I needed to speak to you.
Why?
About your
Better
driving.
be able to back up my driving. What's
You're
wrong with my
driving,
driving?
because
this is the
you're
first time
driving-
you've
no.
mentioned it.
Because you're driving past me, gobbing off me. Yeah?
What did I say
and
to
then
you?
you've come round.
What did I say to
And
you?
I wanted to make sure
What did
that
I say
your,
to you?
that your details are all.
What
We've
did I
gone
say to
round
you?
this all before, haven't
Well, let's
we?
go round it again, buddy. You've brought it up. What did I say to you?
I don't know what you said
don't
to
know.
me.
See,
but you were leering at me.
do I know who
leering
you
at me,
are? Do
and
I know who you are?
And mouthing
So
something,
I've got
weren't
my
you?
window open, talking to my missus.
Looking at me.
Mate, there's
Bizarrely.
4 or 5 coppers stood in the middle of the road in luminous jackets. What, am I
Well-
not supposed to look at you? Am I not supposed to notice you then?
Yeah.
Am I not is that not what these jackets are for?
Yeah, not leering at
Wasn't
me and
leering
making
you
all
at all,
sorts
mate.
of.
I was talking to my missus and I drove past. You've
Yeah.
obviously heard something and assumed it was aimed at you.
So then
but you can't
I've-
say what was said,
I've stopped
and you
you.
can't say it was said at you. So you've stopped me for no reason.
I have stopped you for a reason.
No, that's your reason, and I've just pulled it apart. And you can't even you can't even defend that. And not only that, not only have you stopped me, but you've got the power to get one of your proper colleagues in a car to stop me. You've stopped me in the middle of 3 lanes of busy traffic and made my
exactly the
missus
same.
feel endangered for her own safety.
you weren't
and
in
I've
any
asked you
danger
to move
at all.
on. I've asked you if I can move on, and you've not allowed it.
No, because I've asked you to stop there.
I
and
did
then.
stop. I was stopped. I was
And
stationary.
Everything that you did suggested to me that you were not going to stop.
But that's not
for
your
us.
problem.
And that you were going
Well,
to
that's
drive
not your
off.
problem.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not. Because if I'd have then failed to stop, in the middle of town, with a camera there, a camera there, and a camera there,
The law
5 coppers
says
stood
that
there
when you're
with cameras
requested
on
to,
them.
you stop.
Yes,
Jamie,
and if I'd
that
failed to
is it.
stop, which is my choice, then that's for you then to report that to someone else, isn't it?
It's not your choice.
So you stopped me in dangerous traffic unnecessarily.
Well, if you want to make a complaint about it, then crack on. Yeah?
Absolutely.
Yeah?
That's the attitude of all the officers. Crack on, because nothing happens. Because that's the attitude of all of you.
I've done everything in the proper manner, Jamie.
Yeah, well, I'll tell you what, why don't you go and make Surrey safer like you advertised instead of being Jobsworths, and then we can all get on and have a nice time, can't we?
The conversation's still going, isn't it?
Well,
yeah?
mate,
So
my conversation was finished with your checks, so
I'm
see you later.
I'm happy to let you carry on.
Well, you ain't going to stop me anyway.
Oh, yeah, but the thing is, like I've said, we're still...
What power have you got to stop me doing anything?
We're still having this two-way conversation, aren't we?
No, we're not having a two-way conversation, mate. You're stood there with these three, thinking you're in some way intimidating. Go and do your jobs.
Well, no one's out to intimidate.
Well, then see you later,
they?
buddy. What are you still stood there for?
Because
off you go.
If
go and do your job.
Listen, if
Go
I
and
just
earn your
walked
25
away and
grand a
cut
year.
you dead...
We'd be done. That's what you should do. We're done. You've done your checks. You found that you've got zero reason to stop me, zero reason to detain me. See you later.
That I was rude and I just walked away without having any conversation.
No, you were
with you.
stupid for stopping me in the middle of 3 lanes of traffic, which is what I said to you earlier on.
No.
Well, you can believe that all you want, mate. If you believe that's a safe stop, then you're obviously not very bright.
I don't know why my intelligence comes into it.
Because you've stopped a car in the middle of 3 lanes of busy traffic with drunk idiots walking around everywhere. See, now you want to cut it short because you can't defend your stupid actions.
Jamie, they're not stupid actions.
Well, mate,
I've
they are.
explained to you exactly.
Well,
why
listen,
I
if that's what you believe is
yeah?
common sense, then maybe look for another job, bud.
I've done all right for the last 13 years.
Well, good luck to you with your 25 grand a year. Have yourself a cracking time.
Right.
See you later.
You're happy if we go now?
Mate, I was happy you pissed off 10 minutes ago. You're
like
still
I said,
here.
I don't want you thinking that we've just cut you dead and walked away, and then you turn around and say, "Oh, they were really rude. They just ignored me and went."
Listen, my opinion, my opinion is much lower than that of you and all of your colleagues. Believe me.
I don't
so
know,
it's not really relevant whether I think you're rude. I've got a much lower opinion of you than that.
Okay, Jamie, I think we're all done, aren't we?
See you later. Told that 10 minutes ago. Goodbye.
Like I said, carried on and on and on.
See you later. Jog on.
Alright folks, it's like I said earlier. I tried to find this guy's channel and I cannot seem to find it anywhere. I screen recorded this video a long time ago. I was getting ready to empty out my iPad and just delete everything. But I did want to highlight this video because I remembered how good it was. This guy has a way of speaking to police and it's absolutely brilliant, folks. I don't know if this guy has a channel on YouTube right now. Like I said, please help me find this guy. Let him know I shared his video. Let him know how much I've appreciated him since way back when, and I apologize I didn't share it earlier. But keep this in mind, folks. If you guys are going to have YouTube channels, you might want to back up all your videos because often channels get deleted, and when your videos are gone, they are gone. Unless you save them, we will not be able to see them again. If you guys have videos that you want us to look at, send it to recordpolicenow@gmail.com. We'll take a look at it. We'll highlight your channels, or we'll keep you anonymous if you'd like us to. We won't give up our sources. Know your rights, folks. Always record the police. Whenever it's your traffic stop or someone else's, you could save somebody a bunch of grief. Thank you all for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell. We'll see you on the next video. Peace.